Hey guys, we're in Hampton, Virginia. We're doing a hot tub removal, and yeah, I'm going to show you how that's done. Let me get it on my shoe.
Got your shoe?
Yep.
All right, you ready?
So there's a little bit, looks like, I don't know.
Hell is it? Oh jeez.
I don't know what the.
Alright, here we go.
Hey guys, we just finished up this hot tub in Hampton, Virginia. Show you what we got. So yeah, we got a whole party going on here. Yeah, so there's a hot tub, a piano, a couple things I got from the weekend. But anyway, if you like this video, make sure you hit that like button, subscribe, and stay tuned for the next video.